Guys, ito ay sa Adventure Resort Capri. Yeah. So this is guys near to our house. Meron pa lang ganito guys. If you some Filipinos who's married in Indian who is going to Shimla, you can have this kind of resort. It's just in the Capri, New Capri. So it's just like 15 kilometers away from us, maybe. Yeah, 20 kilometers or 1 hour to drive from Shimla. Yeah, Adventure Resorts, New Capri. I never know that they have like something like this here. So may mga package sila. Ayan yung mga ano nila. Ayan. So, may zipline, sky range, swinger, may go-karting, may snow also. May restaurant sila. May room din sila. Twin Towers Hotel. Galing. Ganda. Hante, there's also
wait.
hotel here. Hotel, there is also.
This is resorts, na? Or under hotel diya.
Ito yung loob ng Adventure Resort dito sa Capri guys. Ayan. Yung mga gustong mamasyal na nasa Shimla, you can come here and enjoy the rides here. Sa loob meron silang mga dates, mga dry goods, foods like this. Ayan, kung ano-ano makakabili kaya dito ng bonnet.
200 per person.
You need to pay. Let's pay first na. No, let's pay. I want also, Han. So, magkakart kami guys. 200 daw per ride. Ayan. Ang lamig. Very cold. Ang lamig dito sa Capri. It's just because it's the first place to... When the snow falling, it's the first place na magkakasnow bago pa pumunta ng Shimla. So that's why it's very cold here. And tatlo-tatlo ang damit ko guys. And we go for the
Himalayan dry
food. Sige. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo guys. Yan. Shopping. Tiyan. Chips. We will check doon, Han. I never tried that one. Later. Washroom. Washroom is here. Ate, wait. Ate, washroom. Ajaw. Washroom doon. Wait na. You wait us. Ayan guys. This is the inside of Adventure.
Taste the apple chips.
Later. Later, Han. Fast food. Acha.
What happened shopping?
Yes.
Not yet. Oh, yeah.
यहाँ पे हिमाचली ड्रेस में फोटो
Himachal, yeah. Had already.
ये एगलेस बेकरी है
Acha with the big.
एगलेस बेकरी
Super delicious. Ayun na, Han, oh. I think there's a corn there. Yun, mashallah corn.
There is also zip line, na? Oh my god, this is very...
ये वाला स्काई
Oh my god, I don't like it.
I did it in Dubai also. I did that in Global Village.
See guys, they have like this, oh.
I don't like that.
I don't like also.
There is a zip line also. Wow, you want to do zip line?
Guys, ayun, oh.
Yeah, it's very terrifying. Let's go up because Adi is small. Because Adi is small. Then you can do zip line. Very nice. Yeah, it's nice.
Yun, oh, may zipline sila. May go-kart. Ayan. So, Shimla to guys, sa Capri. Adventure Resorts. I really don't know that there's a resort here in Shimla. It's my first time to come here. It's really my first time. So, ayan, may zipline dyan.
That is just like skating.
Zipline. Ayan ang view dito sa taas, guys. Ayan o.
Oh, yeah, this one, yeah.
This is a helipad.
Helipad.
Ah, this is helipad before. Not available.
It's a helipad. The helicopter comes here.
May helipad dito dati. Ito pala yun.
I feel so hot. See? Now they are playing. Oh my
They are
god.
going
Oh
up.
my god.
Isang ano, anong tawag doon?
We can do zip line like this.
Nakatakot.
यहाँ पे आप फोटो शूट कर सकते हैं।
Yeah.
You want to take it?
Ayan guys, nakasakay kami sa cart with Daddy, with Tita Ares, to Binud, and we are in the cart going down, roam around the resort, adventure resort in New Capri. Yay! Yay! Here we go. Here's my Adi Pogi. It's my Adi Pogi. Ay, yung pogi na. Ang pogi.
Wait, we're doing the next one. The zip.
What happened?
It's a zip line.
Di magdadrive na. Di will drive. There's a remote actually. This is the one he likes. You want to buy na like this? It's a pig. Good morning guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Phil in Shimla. Here's Rishi. Guess where we are guys? We are in railway station of Shimla. What is the name of this station? Summerhill Station.
Shimla.
Shimla, yes. So we are planning to take a ride from here going to Solan. So it takes us in this train for I think 3 hours. So that's how, so that we can experience the first time experience guys, that if you see that in my channel, you will see me, Adi and Daddy first experience of train. But this was my second time to experience this train with Rishi, with Ate, and with Binud. So that's how we will experience today. Very early, we came here by 9 o'clock, and I think our train ride schedule will be 11 o'clock. So we have to be here early so that we can sit. Actually, we already we
Confirmed seats.
we confirmed the seats. I mean, what class is it? Not in the class.
Ours is chair car, because in first class there were no seats available.
So chair car.
Because people usually book
Yeah.
15 days, 1 month
So
before.
we actually booked only from few days ago. So the one who got the first class seat was the one who
booked earlier.
booked earlier, like
Sent to
15
us.
days ago. So
1
we
month
just
before.
planned few days ago to have a train ride. So that's why we didn't get any class A seat. So we go for train car seat, huh? Chair car train. Chair car train. Chair car seat ang nakuha namin.
Chair car.
Oh, so yun lang. So ayan guys ang situation ng train rail trail here in Shimla guys. So ayan. Naghihintay kami maaga pa, 10 o'clock pa lang siguro. So 10:10 to be exact. So we'll be ride by 11 o'clock. So ayan guys ang aking tag dito. Naka-jacket ako doble. Tapos ayan, tapos tayo ay naka-skirt. Tapos ayan lang. So ayan, enjoy natin ang train ride papuntang Solan. Hindi namin kasama si Adi, it's just because Adi has an exam tomorrow, and he has class today, so that mommy doesn't want him to always take an absent, because tomorrow will be the first exam, then it will be continue for 4 to 5 days, and the final exam for this year. And after that, that is how we call winter vacation na. Kumbaga, sa atin is summer vacation, dito is winter vacation. Kasi magwi-winter na dito sa winter na talaga, as in malamig na. Lalo na sa December magi-snow. So talagang yun ang pinaka ano nila, doon ang pinaka tapusan kumbaga. Sa susunod ay ibang ano na uli siya ay LKG now, UKG siya sa susunod. So ganon. So pagkatapos siguro nito ay pupunta kami ng Dharamshala. Doon kami hanggang January na yun, guys. Kasi malamig na talaga dito. Hindi namin kakayanin ni Adi. Grabe ang lamig. So ayan guys, nandito si Rishi, andito si ate, si Binud, para magbakasyon sila. For 15 days nandito sila. So for many days already, we are roaming around Shimla. And we've been to so many places already. But we cannot able to go to Dharamshala because of we postponed going to Dharamshala. We're supposed to go to Dharamshala to visit Pinky Masi and to attend one of the ayan guys, to attend one of the wedding in Patankot of daddy's relative, but due to Adi's exam, tumapat siya sa the same date, so we cannot able now to go anywhere. We just stay here in Shimla, and ang lamig-lamig na guys dito, grabe. Kaya ayan, fully gear tayo today kasi malamig talaga. Kahit naka-skirt ako, okay lang. Naman ako, tag dito. What we call this? Naka-boots ako. Tapos naka-skirt din naman, mahaba din. Saka-jacket ako. So okay na. Ayan, naka-turtleneck din tayo. So okay. Panalo na yung outfit natin for today's video. So ayan ang aking jusawa. Ayan. So ayan guys, hindi lang ako masyadong active ngayon sa YouTube kasi nagpapahinga po ako sa maraming bagay. So pero huwag kayong mag-alala at unti-unti naman tayong bumabalik. So ayan guys. So dyan na muna kayo at update ko kayo mamaya pag nakasakay na kami sa train, kung anong experience. Bye bye. The arriving of the train, guys. This is the train we will go. Apakaluman. 1903 ito nagsimula. 13? 29, 30.
आपकी 10 है ना? 14 10 है आपकी 10 है ना? 10 और कौन सी है?
10 है,
ये जनरल कोच नहीं है,
magkahiwalay din
13,
pala.
14, 30.
हैं 10 है
13, 14, 30
13 ये है
और
14 ये है, मतलब 2 सीटें तो आपकी यही हो गई।
तो ऐसे नहीं होगा सर?
हाँ इसी में हो जाओ,
You can sit here na.
इसी में हो जाओ, बाकी जो है ना जो आए
Yeah. Ayan guys, masaya naman yung experience namin. Ayan, nakababa na kami. Ayan. Papunta na yung train na yan sa Kalka. Malayo-layo pa. 3 hours more.